This is cross-matching blood. I have 3 vials of blood and EDTA tubes from 3 different dogs. And I have a balancer, which will balance off of the other one. Let's see. And that one goes there. Okay, so I'm gonna let these centrifuge, and once they're centrifuged, draw the plasma off and then complete more of the process.
Yep.
All right, so my samples have been centrifuged. I'm going to use a needle to kind of get them out without them mixing back together. So kind of just. There's one sample right there. Let me get them all out and then we'll do it. Oh, that's weight. Okay. So put that over to the side. Okay, so this is my plasma control tube. I'm going to put this plasma in here. I'm going to pipette. Get a fresh pipette, set that to the side, get a fresh pipette. Donor plasma. I'm being careful not to mix the plasma with the concentrated red blood cells at the bottom. And this is the recipient, and I'm gonna put some of the recipients, get rid of that one, fresh pipette for the recipient. Nope, this one. Okay, now I'm going to get ready for the next part of what we're going to do the cross matching. Okay, all right, so it's time to wash my red blood cells, and I'm going to have to do that 3 times, and this will be the first time. So I have my red blood cells here, and I have some saline. Some saline in here. The rest of the saline in this one. Okay. I'm going to spin these, and I'll repeat this process 2 more times. Centrifuge. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. Completed the third washing of the red blood cells. I'm going to remove my tubes. Okay, so I've got my washed red blood cells here. And I have 3 empty labeled tubes that I'm going to mix 2 drops of my plasma and 2 drops of red blood cells. Okay, so this is my control. That's it right here. Okay, so I'm going to get 2 drops. 2 GTTs is 2 drops. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to. That's my recipient plasma, and I'm going to take 2 drops of my donors RBCs, and here they are. This one, 2, okay. And then I have my minor. So I'm going to take my donor plasma, which is here. Take 2 drops of it. Drops back. And I'm going to get recipients RBCs. That's these. I need another pipette. I need my recipient, the minor cross match is the donor plasma, which I've already placed in here, and I need my recipient RBCs. These are these right here. Okay. 2 drop. 1, 2. Okay. And then my recipient control is my recipient plasma. And I'm putting it in. This is my recipient. 2 drops of my recipient plasma. Get a little more. There we go. 2 drops. 1, 2. And recipient RBCs, which is these. Okay. Two drops. Okay. So now I'm going to mix these all gently. I've got my little incubator on, 37 degrees Celsius. Place those 2 in here. Okay. And I've got one more. Mix that one gently. Okay. So I'm going to incubate these for 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, I have incubated my tubes for 30 minutes. I've also centrifuged them in a small centrifuge we have in the back. And visual inspection, there appears to be no agglutination or clumping. And I'm going to look at that under the microscope to see what it shows. Okay, so get a slide. Okay, get a little pipette. Okay, I've got some pipettes. I'm going to check my major cross match. It doesn't, visually inspecting it, there's no agglutination, but I'm going to check under the microscope. Okay. Cover slip. There's no agglutination under the microscope, or there's no rouleau formations either. Okay. All right, good. Okay. So now I'm going to check the minor. I'll use the same slide. Pipette. No clumping, no agglutination. No rouleau formation. That's good. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the control. Control. Okay. This looks similar to the others. There's no clumping or agglutination. Just red blood cells. There's no rouleau formation either. All right, so this donor is a match for our patient who needs a blood transfusion. That's the end of this task.